Okay, so to hook up this whole set right now, we just have the power washer. We have our sodium hypochlorite that we're using to clean siding with. We have our bucket of water with our bleach neutralizer in it, and we have our hose reel. So when we get this set up on a property, the way we hook this up to make this operational is the first thing that we would do is we would hook up a hose, a garden hose, to the, or utilize the customer's garden hose, hook it up to their spigot, and then that runs into this connection here, and it simply screws on to the garden hose right here at this point. So the next thing that we would hook up is we would hook up our hose reel to the machine, and in order to do that, we have the chemical injector line that's going to, we'll make sure that it's properly adjusted, and we usually only have to have it halfway or less, and then we hook that up in this position here, and then that way it allows us to draw our chemical or our plant protect at the end through our injector to ultimately clean out the machine. This downstream injector hose will either be in this bucket or will be in the SH, depending on whether we're cleaning or we're finishing for the day. So after the injector is in, we want to make sure it's positioned in a down position direction like this, so gravity can also help draw our solution into the hose, into the machine. And then we hook up our hose reel hose here. So it's kind of an inline situation. So we have the machine, we have the injector with this position down in a 90-degree position, and then we hook up the hose reel to the end. The last part of our hookup is we would take our lance and we connect it to the end of our hose, having our ball valve on here, and we connect it on. Then we would have the water on, and then we can start the machine and then begin our cleaning, wetting process, or at the end of the day, in order to also use our plant protect to help clean out the machine.